So let's chat about finding studs. Here's two. Well, this is a common stud finder. It was probably $9, the Zircon brand. And this one was maybe 60. It's called a Franklin sensor. And these are fantastic. You just hold down and it'll show you where a stud is. Let's see how it's going like that with my thumb. They're fantastic. These, I carry this with me just for redundancy's sake. Let's say the batteries happen to run out on this one. It's never happened yet, but perhaps it will. This one is, I mean, they work. I just feel like it's not quite as good as this, but they work fine. These you just have to calibrate by finding a spot where there isn't a stud. You press down, and then you move it. If you find a spot where there is a stud, it'll just beep angrily at you, really. But stud finding is obviously a primary thing that you have to do if you're going to hang your TV. If you can't find a stud, it's not the hugest deal. I use these snap toggles for situations where there is no stud. Or let's say they have a certain mount that you're only going to need one stud, but the stud's 16 inches, or let's say 12 inches over here, and you want it in the center. You can use these. They're rated for 275 pounds a piece, so they do work fine. But if you can find a stud, find a stud. But this is the Franklin sensor. Pick one of these up. You'll be glad you did. And if any of you want me to come hang your TV or art or whatever the case may be, let me know. You can find my number in the description, or you can just go to my website. Thanks.